Reason why I started the trade a little bit slightly before this because once we get the charge, we're gonna be so close to 8:30 open, and 8:30 open is gonna dump the market a little bit, either a little bit or too much. So I'd rather be closer to where I'm gonna be have my stop loss. So I took a menu here, and I got out right at 8:30, which was our TP1. I called it in the chat.
Yeah.
I hope you took it,
Yeah.
but the official
Or
trade.
did you come out all together? Because I left one in.
No, I still have one micro running.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say.
Yeah, I'm thinking of adding more, but honestly, we're
Well,
gonna see.
I was done for the day on the London.
Yeah,
So,
awesome, bro. Yeah,
yeah,
London
so
was great.
yeah, I made 300 buck in London already.
Nice. And did you
Um,
continue?
well, yeah, because I
Bruh.
just took this one. I just took this one with you.
Oh, okay.
Um,
But do you enter? You
and I
entered
could have
where I
made.
entered, right?
Yeah, I entered when you entered, but I could have taken it all out for another 200. But I said no. Let's see what happens when you write this thing, because I've never written one before. So
You try that when not when you're up in profit, and not on a Friday, bro. When you don't have time to make it back. But hopefully it works out. Um, how much left do you have? Did you take a partial hit up open?
yeah, I did.
Okay, awesome.
I've only got two. I've got two. What's it called again? Two micros running.
Yeah, that's good. That's great.
Yeah, so it's not a big position, but for me, it's the mental win I'm looking for.
Yeah.
I want to, yeah, I want to get past the open again now, hopefully, and then because my biggest problem is I have a setup.
Yeah.
I put everything into my setup, and then I make the mistake of watching that bloody dollar sign go up and down and up and down and up and down. And then I get to a certain point and I'm like, no, okay, I'll just close it. And then as soon as I close it, it does
Yeah.
exactly what I was expecting it to do. So
Everybody does
I'm trying to beat that now by saying I'm not touching it until either it hits that stop at the top. I'm only going as far as the other manipulation above, right? I'm not waiting for end of this now. I'll be sweating all over the place if I try that.
Great, great. But take you have two micros, you'll take a partial at these levels too. Yeah, bro. This is something you cannot really overcome, right? I still do it. That's why I spent the past 2 years making 200 a day. Okay, that's the reason why I kept doing that, bro. It's because I kept when I see it fluctuate. As soon as it hits 200, I want to get out. I can't watch it being
Mm.
like 240 bucks, 260 bucks. Like, dude, I don't deserve this, or like I don't. It's an unknown, unexplored territory for me. But of course, for example, today we made 4K. Yesterday we made 4K. I think north of 5K today. We just took this trade printed good and another trade earlier here, but that's because I need to start pushing myself. I've spent so much time in here and I want to a little bit grow, so I have to push myself a little bit. But I'm telling you, it is not a comfortable thing. It's very uncomfortable. So stay comfortable, bro. You getting paid 200 a day. Uh, the way I do funded accounts is I try to first day I try to full port to like at least 700 to 9 like to at least 700, 800, 900 bucks. And then from there I take 200 days. That way,
Mm.
after 10 days, which you're allowed to take a payout, you have 10 days. You have to do 10 days anyway. For example, ETF. 10 days times 2 is 2,000. And then plus the 1,000 you just made on the first day, you're ready for a payout.
Mm. That
Full,
makes sense.
yeah, full port, don't, this is not financial advice. Full porting on the first day of your funded works much better than later on. Because later
Mm.
on you're gonna be so you have profit on the line, but the first day it's a fresh account. You evaluate it as an evaluation.
Mm. Yeah, that makes sense. So what I love about this particular obviously I love the sweep strategy. My problem with the sweep strategy was what you were explaining with this new indicator, and that was that sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And mainly it was the hang on, why did it sweep again after it's already swept? Why did
Yeah,
it sweep again after it's already swept? So
yeah,
that was the main thing that was just killing me because each time I'm like, okay, it's swept already now. And of course, my own problems in the sense that I'll put, a huge, uh, a huge size on it, and then when it starts to reverse on me, I get panicky, and then I just, jump out of it and all that kind of stuff. So I've gone through most of all of the, I guess, psychological aspects now. So the main thing now is just trying to maintain this whole because the reason why I like this one is like I said
Hello, good morning.
good morning.
in the morning here when it's nice and easy for me, I can just make my $200, and then whatever I do in the New York, I know that I've got something in the bag. It's a different mentality for me.
Yeah, yeah, that's the reason why I'm searching as hard as I can for something that works, to overcome this specific issue where it just sweeps, but it continues on going and then it reverses. Like, is it going for a high time PD array? Is it going for something else? I don't know. There's so many variables. All of them can be right. All of them can be wrong. So I don't like that. I like to be objective. So you saw, like, for example, today, look, it said by 9:24 and 9:30 it should um, start the manipulation. So right now we're actually pretty much early. There is still a potential for manipulation to happen until 20 minutes later. So what that means is that it can still manipulate down, and especially you see how it says sweep here? It has to sweep this box, and then once that time is done, then it's done for the manipulation for this session or for this fractal of price. So right now we just a little bit early. We took an early piece of the pie. I took a trade right here, took eight off here and took one here. I'm still holding one micro. So I pinged you guys and you took the same trade, which is great. But um, since we're being early, I pushed 9 off, right, and I left 1 on just to see what happens later on. So I recommend you do too. I think you still have 2 micros on. And how much micros did you start with?
Oh no, I'm a wuss. I only go four.
Oh, that's great, bro. I mean 4K with 4. Look.
Yo, four are good, bro, because you can always do capital preservation with four. You will never blow
100%.
yourself up with four. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
and
100%.
that's exactly what I do for.
100%, bro.
I get yeah. It's taken a while to get to just four. Trust me, I used to do like 12 at a time, and then you know, then I
Don't
had the
You
opposite. Then I
can,
had the opposite problem. Once I get like, 2, 3, 4 points up, I
yeah.
just want to close it because I feel like it's too much money to be,
Yeah.
messing with. So
you can do more, but the issue with that is that you have to have something protecting your stop loss, like a high time frame PD array or just a sweep that just happened, or maybe you have time on your side. You can't just go and heavy like that out of the rip. What I usually like to do is whenever I start my first trade, I usually just go for a base hit and
yeah,
use half of the drawdown that I made on the base hit in order to get another like good or monstrous trade. You know what I mean? If
yeah,
it happens, it happens. If it's not, at least I got my $200 off today, and that counts as a winning day, and I can carry that momentum to the next day. You know what I mean?
yeah, yeah.
That's how I look at it. Might have your own style, but I think that's a good way to do it.
Really good. Yeah.
I think Luke agrees because that's what we
100%.
usually used to do here when we were trading together.
100%. We're trying to bring that back, Walid.
Oh, traded together? Fuck yeah.
Hell yeah.
Oh, by the way,
Yeah.
Chadley got a payout yesterday.
Let's go. I think he
Yeah.
posted it. Yeah. He's killing it. Look, for many years we've been telling Chadley to just go for
To
base hits.
stop doing minis.
Yeah. Make 150 your minimum day required for top step, and then get the payout. Look, he started doing that, and now he's in 7th payout in a row,
One.
8, I think.
or 8th. Yeah. Before that, he would make like 2K trade, 2K days, 3K days, but then he would blow on the 4th day or the 3rd day. It didn't get you anywhere that money, but now he's on just making the bare minimum, and he's getting 8 payouts. That's exactly what I do. I make 200 and I get out. By the end of 10 days, I got 2K balance.
Yeah.
But I didn't do any expenses. My only payment was just the account price. And if I get a 1K payout, that's literally, if I spend $100 on the account, that's 10x what I got. That's 10x what I paid, right? But if you
That's a 1000% return on investment.
100% broke. But if you blew 10 accounts and then you get a 1K payout, that's not gonna look good for you. You don't want it because you're still in real money crisis. Like you're still paying in debt. He finally got it and he started doing it. Like, and he's getting payouts. So that's a real life proof for you guys to start doing now. So this is gonna be a little bit time. It's still gonna be manipulate, maybe take us out. But we took the majority of the trade off. We took we started with 10 micros here. And yeah, so the time is 9:24, 9:30. We expect the sweep level, the manipulation level to be hit, and by 9:30 we expect it to completely turn off. to complete the manipulation, and then we can just ride whatever going on. And then we expect the distribution to end by 10:23 and 10:34. So roughly an hour there. These times are based on all the past sessions, all the past New York AIM sessions where on this day, on a Friday, it left a low. Where? Low of the, or like the low of the session. It left it most of the time, on average, around this area. So it gives you clarity too, right? Like, you know, you might still get manipulated, right? So if you're like, oh, finally I'm in trade, it's going well, and then suddenly crashes out and stops you out, and then it runs, then it goes your favor, you'd be like, you just said that, Kinoto, by the way. It's just like, why did that happen, right? Well, because that time aspect, which we've never included in our thing. I don't trade micros. I don't consider them as time-based things, right? And maybe they were, but just like the silver bullet, they got patched because it's so easy to change a silver bullet, because from 10 to 11, the first FEG, they can easily make it the second FEG, right? You don't need to recode the whole algorithm. And same thing with micros, 9, 10, like 10 minutes before the hour, 10 minutes after the hour, they can easily add a couple minutes to it, right? Like, even like Walid knows, you can, like, even a newbie in coding can easily modify that, but you cannot refactor the whole algorithm, stuff that is really difficult to make, right?
No, you cannot, because basically it's a moving market. So
Exactly.
what the issue with people happens is that they look at it as a static asset and try to predict everything that's going into it. But since it's moving with time, and every time there is something new that gets added, and sometimes shit happens that you don't count for, like the Trump tweet or some shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
100%. It's very dynamic, very prone to changes.
And I don't know why, but I always feel like especially on a Friday where there's no news, the manipulation is horrible.
Yeah, Friday.
It's usually a seek and destroy day, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm worried about.
We're getting the push, guys. Let's see.
And if you ever see that, I believe it's best that you stay out of the market. Like, on God.
Yeah. It's better to watch. That's why we're still in one micro. Like, I didn't hold the whole 10 micros. Got out right at 8:30 open. Here we got a BPR, and we got our sweep strategy. So if this trade on the sweep strategy hits TP, we would have 1 win, 2 win, right? 3 win, 4 wins. So today we would have the sweep strategy. If you manually traded it, you would have had 4 wins out of 4. And if you automated it, you would have 4 wins out of 4, right? Yesterday, out of 9 trades, we had 6 wins. The day before was 4 out of 4 as well. So have an account running on the automation. Don't look back at it. There we go. Getting that push now.
Yep. That's what I need to do next week. Is I'm gonna put an account just on the sweep as you said, and just now that I know how you do the account management bit, just try and get base hits every day, like you said,
Yeah.
and then yeah, so that's gonna be my feeder account. So once once I'm able to get like base hits up to like a grand or 2 grand, then I'll move it to my manual, and I'll just
100%. But that account, your only job is to jump once. There's only two times you're gonna go check that account. If it's blown, to refurnish it, to get a new account and plot it in, or to get a payout. You're not gonna do anything, right? I spent months on that tool, so you don't have to look. I haven't looked on my accounts for 122 days.
Oh really?
Yeah.
When you set up your auto, how do you do the copying then? Because I don't know
I don't
if
copy
it's
it.
me, but
I don't copy it, but you can make separate strategies in the app. You have your max, right?
ah,
You,
okay, yeah, okay.
your
So you
max.
just do a separate strategy as a way of
Yeah,
copying.
you
Got
make
it.
7 strategies for
Yeah.
7 accounts.
Yeah.
Or if
Okay.
you're trading top step, then you can just put the leader, can copy trade, you can put followers on that account and put only the leader inside the engine. There we go. TP boys, let's go.
Remove that stuff. Thank you.
Yes, sir. So thank you, Waleed.
Also, guys, if you are using the X feed on any of the firms, you can set a leader and then set followers, and it will copy.
Awesome. Oh, that's really good
Same
to know.
like
That's for
Substack.
That's not
Yeah.
rhythmic, right?
No. The X feed.
The X feed.
Any
Cool.
platform that use the X feed / volumetrica, you
Oh,
can
like
use that.
yeah, like Quant Tower, I think.
Yeah.
Awesome.
No, Quant Tower is free if you have one connection. I'm talking about the app,
Oh,
the
if
X
you
feed or the
yeah,
website. You know.
that you mean the account you purchased, the Profim account, if you chose the X feed.
Yeah. Always choose the X feed if you don't live in the US, by the way, just for connection purposes.
I think I agree, bro. You can see my trading view. It take like you remember last stream we hit TP. It doesn't fill me in. I think it's sure it doesn't fill me in. I think along it doesn't fill me in, bro. Where is the liquidity?
Great, bro.
Yeah.
I was so pissed, to be honest.
Yeah. And by the way, just guys, one note: the street strategy is aiming for this level, but I got a BPR, right? So I always preach what I preach. No, always follow what you preach, right? So I tell you, if you see a BPR, you enter at it or you exit at it, either full or partial. I only had one micro, so I have to follow my rules. I take a partial here, but the automation is still holding. Hopefully, we'll hit that TP, and I think we should. This is now looking much better.
Yeah, especially if we inverse that fair value gap on the left.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, the red one.
The red one. Yeah, this is also a BPR. If we inverse it, it's going to be much stronger than an inversion or just a standalone FEG.
Yeah, and also, as you guys can see, we had the surge of liquidity coming to the market at the usual time of 9:19, which always happens every day because that's when people start to load up their orders and try to manipulate a bit the market up or down depending on what we did. We are overextended through the night, so it's always to have a precautions whenever Asia and London move a lot. And let's see which profile we're gonna get today, you know?
Yeah.
Are we gonna get a continuation, a reversal, or it's just gonna be seek and destroy Friday?
Beautiful. And there's TGIF, don't forget that.
Of course. That's our favorite.
Yeah. I personally, there's few ICT stuff that I can never nail. One of them is TGIF. One of them is trends.
Trends?
Like trending market, like that. The only thing I know is just find that immediate rebalance, enter at it, or find a midpoint of a wick and enter at it. That's it.
Yeah, if the market is trending, find every fair value gap that you have that can be counted as a discount and just re-enter there or add more to your position. That's how I do it.
Beautiful. Wait, how did you do it? Can you say that again?
Yeah, basically if the market is trending and you already entered,
Yeah.
Wait for every pullback and you add to it. And if not, then wait for a pullback to enter and set your stop loss under that fair value gap or that immediate imbalance. So that way you can always have a safe stop
Oh,
loss. If it
nice.
gets mitigated, your stop loss gets violated, that means that it will stop trending, or
Oh, that's
you
very
are a
smart.
bit early on the re-entry.
Yeah, that's very
That's
nice.
that's basically it.
And if you have two
I,
FEGs like after each other, like in this case here,
if
which
you are long, always go for the lower one.
nice. No, I mean you enter at the lower
Yeah.
one, or do you put the stop loss below the lower one?
No, you enter at the lower one because it's high probability.
Beautiful,
But if you enter of the bigger one, you just put your stop under the other one, and yeah,
beautiful. Good stuff, Walid.
of course. I by the way, I used that to get my account from. I was on gold, and gold was trending to the upside. Uh, I used that to get an account out of drawdown that was 1,500 in drawdown,
God
just by
damn.
basically re-entering at every fair value and holding a position that was relatively small at the beginning and just turned to be a monstrous trade at the end. And I believe I was like up 3K and 1.5 of that was profit. So
Mashallah, bro. Good
trending
stuff.
markets are so good.
They are.
Mashallah.
They are. They are. They are. And they
Trending
just
markets are good, but they are not really that ICC friendly, you know?
exactly. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. It's for me. It's unexplored territory as well. I don't know. He didn't teach much about them. He just teaches like pullbacks, enter OTEs, like perfect places to enter, right? But
Reversals, yeah.
yeah, there we go again. That pump. We're gonna hit that
See that pump?
PE.
Five
Let's
That's the
minutes
kind of
go,
from open. 5 minutes from open, guys.
that's the
guys.
kind of pump I would miss normally.
Are you still holding?
Yeah.
Let's fucking go.
W, bro.
W, bro. Let's go. Sweep strategy. 4 out of 4
TP
today.
hit, TP hit, TP
Yes,
hit.
sir. Is there a soundboard in here? Oh, hey, twin.
Oh, we don't have a soundboard here.
Oh, I think we do, don't we?
We
That's
should
it.
fix it, bro.
Yeah, I
Nice
think.
TP.
There you go.
That's
There you go. There we
that's
go.
me. That's me.
By the
Let's
way, the
go.
sweep just made 50 points, bro. Out of thin air, by the way. 50 fucking points.
100%, bro.
W, bro.
We entered right here, bro. Right here, like 159. Oh, that's under point trade. That was the original trade idea, by the way. 159.
Yeah.
And target the sweep here, right there. See?
Yeah, basically what you have here is what people call a V-shaped recovery with the inversion fair value gap and all of that.
Yeah.
There is 3 entries on this. Basically, there is the change in state of delivery, which basically what the sweep strategy did. If you see that green candle where the sweep strategy entered, that could be counted as a change in state of delivery.
100%.
There is also people that have entered right after we just took the sell side liquidity and we had the immediate reaction. So those are the turtle soup guys. And then we have the late people to the party that waited for the full inversion fair value gap and entered there and also went break even around the level where we took our TP. So there was no bad entry, but it's just that everyone has their model and you just have to respect the rules that your model presents, right? And
Yeah.
play with what you get. That's it.
Yeah. Awesome. Walid's spitting facts today. I love it.
Oh, yeah.
Fact after fact. I
Um,
love it.
I'm I'm a bit confident. Yeah.
Yeah.
I almost had a 7K payout and I got blown by spreads,
Oh. You blow,
but
or
it's okay.
you didn't get the 7K. You got like
Yeah,
6.9.
yeah. I almost had 7K, bro. Spreads fucked me up so
Oh.
much. I was trading my forex account and the spread on gold was like 4 points, bro. It was horrible.
God damn. Yeah. Yeah. Gold is so much, especially in after early hours, like in Asia.
Yeah. But it's so good. Second hour of Asia, guys. If you ever want some sauce, go check the second hour of Asia.
Yeah, I think someone mentioned. I saw a video on TikTok. They're like second hour. Second hour is the most important hour in Asia. I'm like, there we go. We hit the sweep,
Yeah,
guys.
on gold.
Let's go.
W. So you guys, you see that even the people that went in late with their inversion fair value gap entry, where they set their order stop, like their limit orders, they also got a piece of the pie. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So they already up like 30 points on their trade. So there is no bad trading. They're just impatience and fear of missing out.
100%, bro.
And
That's
that's
50
what I want
points.
you guys to take out of this.
Yeah. 50 points from wherever you enter. You enter here, you get 50 points. You enter at the Chosh. Where's the Chosh?
Yeah, you enter at the change of state of delivery, which is also the Shosh, you get 70 points. There is no bad answers.
Yeah. Look,
It's just that you don't have to size up enough that you blow your account in one or two trades.
100%.
That's it.
100%. 100%, bro. One
And
micro.
the people that does are the one that pays you, by the way. I'm just letting you know.
Oh man, I should have left it running.
Oh, you got out? Damn, bro.
No, no,
Yeah,
no, no.
I said I was going to come out at the second
Oh, the
manipulation
second
point.
sweep. Yeah. I mean, if you had one micro left, then you would get out. But if you have one more micro, you could have run it to maximum TP
Oh yeah,
sweep.
yeah, yeah,
How,
yeah.
Yeah.
Ken,
I
how much did you make on
I
that
should have come
trade?
out one micro and left the other one.
Yeah. You should
Ken,
have.
how much did you make on that trade?
That one, 300.
Let's go. And you made 300 in London too?
Yep.
Let's go.
That's what I call a W. All right, boys, your boy has to attend his meeting for his day job. I'll mute and rejoin you in a bit.
All right, yeah. Please
Huh?
come back, Walid. Take care. Good stuff,
Of
guys.
course, I'll come back.
Yeah, bet. Guys, did you take that trade? Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Our new indicator is so fucking fire, guys. Oh, it's just so beautiful. Look, maximum TP hit on the sweep too. PA, long time no see, brother. Where you been all this time? Tay, I like that you're starting to join, Tay. Good stuff. El Crack, you've been out of the game for quite some time, but you saw the indicator in action today. Like, Canelo, you see that? Guy, you see that?
Yeah.
We had to ride. Oh, it's just so beautiful. Okay, guys, what did I tell you? At 9:30, once the 9:30 candle finishes, that manipulation is gonna end. So we still have time for manipulation, right? 9:30. So right now it's 9:31. Waiting for that candle to close, and that will complete the manipulation. So in all my honesty, I think that low is now shouldn't be targeted. Once this candle closes, we'll call it end of manipulation, so we can safely trade towards our target to the upside. And if we hit this today, then we would have 200 points today, 250 yesterday, 140, 135 the day before, and I don't know the other day we'll see the stream, but it was also something 100ish. You see that? You see the manipulation now? We just dumped all the way down, came back up.
Horrible.
Manipulation doesn't mean taking a swing low out. It just means going the opposite direction of where it's supposed to go. So long we stay above that BPR, we should be Gucci. Any questions, lads? Hey, Debbie. You had a fantastic trade. Keneto, you have more balls than me, bro. You held longer than I did.
Only because I told you, because I got a win in London, so
Yeah,
it's a different mentality. I'm trading as if I'm,
yeah,
if it doesn't matter.
yeah. So one more thing I wanted to share is, um, what did I want to share? We should hold this long until 10:23ish, 10:34. Then that distribution count cycle should be done and over with. Market is currently dumping. It hit the maximum TP on the sweep and it dumped. So we took the trade. We hit TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, TP5, TP6, TP7. We got the maximum TP left. Oh, of course we got the NWOG too. Oh, we got the NWOG here. Oh shit, we didn't touch it though. Okay, guys, remember the stream before I went on holiday? I told you guys if it comes so close to a level, like one tick away, 1 point away, especially at during market open, it will dump against you so hard that you will think it's gonna fully reverse, and it will go straight back up here. Okay. It will dump very hard. It will not look like just like a wick down and then go back up. No, it's not gonna be that like kind of signature. It's gonna actually go down, chill, like it's gonna go up down, like as if just it's accumulating with more dumps to the downside, and then it will start to slowly graduate itself up. You're not gonna see it instantly pump up there. Okay, that's a signature I found on my own, by just experiencing it. Like I'm on a long, I'm holding all the way to the NWOG, and then it just comes 1 point away, and it just takes me back out of my stop loss. Like, dude. So I have like trauma. I have a literal trauma when it comes to hitting the exact TP I want. Oh, congratulations on the newborn, brother. Ah, boy or girl? God bless, brother. Hey, Kash. Good to see you. I just think that low should not be taken out. It's gonna chill here, then go back up. Let's go indeed, brother. We need to hit that NWOG. Once we hit that NWOG, things gonna start to look a little bit harder. Breaking through this NWOG towards our actual target would be a little bit difficult. Because think of it algorithmically. Think of it from a market maker's perspective. Why you have an algorithm to take you to a specific level, such as the N1? Why would you come 1 point away and then dump? Maybe on NQ you actually touched it. I'm still on that trade on the NQ, by the way. Ah, it didn't touch it either on this. Yeah, come on. soon as that stop loss, I'm out. It was up 2k on that. Micros on here and mini on that. I'm gonna hold the mini a little bit longer than I expected. Trying to show the micro screen, guys. Remember our talk yesterday? People want big TPs, big money, so I'm trying to run that, but not on this screen, so you guys don't hold like me. It can still come back and touch the sweep again. Mainly because it did not really sweep it. It stayed to the tick. Look at that. Guys, you see that? Look at the end dog. Look at the end dog. It wicks through it. But look at our level to the tick. Like 0 ticks. Oh, it gave a nice pump. Ah, that's a really bad signature. That's gonna be an immediate rebalance down. Hopefully it closes above the midpoint of, above them. Above, yeah. Above, let's go. Let's go. Now it's gonna touch that BPR. We wanna get back above this BPR.
Let's go. Sorry, that's 300 on my other account.
Let's go. Oh, 600. Come on. One tick, bro. I was gonna close it there and just call it a day. Oh. If it comes back down, though, it's gonna be really sad.
Yeah, I think I like Fridays now.
Changing ideas. Oh no. Oh no, it's waking that BPR, bro. It's playing that BPR nastily. Oh no.
Ooh. Okay, yeah. Waleed is right. Today is one of those days.
Yeah. I don't know. I want to keep my stop loss at that low. How much would I think I was risking like $500? Like I'm up 5k on the day, so I don't mind losing $500. Oh, less 300. Yeah, I think we can keep it there. Or just below the end dog. I planned it below the end dog. That's why I said 500. Yeah, see, 500. 100 ticks is $500. I can't partial this. This is so sad, bro. I just need to hold or get out. Like, there's no other choice. I think it may come back down. What do you guys think? Shall I get out?
Well, I can't talk. I'm already out.
I think it's gonna come back again. I want to sweep this one more time. I don't know, but it's. Look at that BPR, bro. That's why I got out the BPR on the micro trade. BPRs is just too strong for me, bro. I can't, like, I can handle other PD arrays, but BPR. Bro, this trade was up. Like, I'm checking my other screen, and it was literally up 128 points with 1 mini. That was 2.5k, 2.6k. If this trade hits, I'll be up 8k. I'll have like a 4K balance, 40K balance. God willing. No, I'm starting to lose confidence in this trade. It's gonna sweep. It's bound to sweep and then come back and get brought back up. Mainly because we got Endog and Endog is just attracting it so hard. But if we can just close above this BPR, we would be so Gucci, bro. Look how it's touching the sweep. I don't want to exit because I already have a really nice entry here. Like the other entry I would have took was again around here for an extra like 10, 20 points. At the expense of seeing it wrong. Kenneth, you with micros and you were like fluctuating the price and it was like making you sweat. Imagine me right now, like with a mini on, seeing 16K, 2K, 2.5K, and then back to break even. Hey, Twin. Hey, Ashante. I just learned from my friend that Ashante in French means like if you someone comes in like Ashante.
Yeah.
No, you can't speak, can you?
Even though my French is not that good, I know what Ashante.
I don't. The only language I don't know good is French. Oh, okay. This is very bearish signature, guys. We might get fucked. This is gonna dump really hard right now. Look at that BPR, bro. I love BPR, so I can't swear at it, but it's gonna go bad. It's gonna go really bad. This signature is so bearish. It means it's gonna just crack down. And look, you see it cracking down. But we touch back the end dog. We touch back to the sweep. Hopefully, we'll have to equal lows. I would love if we leave rails equal lows, because technically we should not be manipulating again. But again, I'm not sure. This is something we're gonna have to explore again today. Do we have to sweep that low? Yeah, apparently we do. Ah, we got stopped on that. God damn. So the micro trade 1 mini, both 1 mini in here, 10 micros in here. This one hit all TPs. The other one did too, but I did not close it. I was being an idiot.
The micro liquidity to the downside is this 29057. Gonna see if we can get down there.
21057.
29057. Yeah.
057. Yeah, that's doable.
Yeah.
We got the target as well here, but
That's your target too? Oh, okay.
yeah, I have a target here, but I don't really want to be short because we didn't touch that.
I'm not trying to do. I ain't trying to do shit right now. I thought you saw my trades already. I'm done.
No, I can't believe it's dumping and I'm not in a short. Like, this is very weird.
You're the king of shorts. How the fuck are you not shorting?
Like, I don't know. I'm gonna see how this happens right now, but if we're dumping, if this sustains, we're gonna go here really easily. But I wanted to get bought back up and I'll long it again. I mean, it's time. I think it's time for us to, or it's time for me at least to start longing. You know, because if I'm making a good piece of the pie from shorts, I think if I can include the longs too, then. But again, you should master only one specialty. You know. Close below this end dog will push us down. I don't see any other targets here. Do we have any dailies? No. Like, if we touch that end dog and dumped, I'll be shorting it as soon as we touch that end dog, sorry. But we missed it by a point. Oh, it's getting brought right back up. I think I'm gonna reattempt it. But at least with 10 micros, I can. At least with 10 micros, I can. Oh, instantly 500 bucks. We made back our loss. I think with 10 micros, I can peel some off, you know. I'll do it like this. Damn, we're at 500, 700. Let's go. Let's go 800. Oh, we should just get out fully here. Oh my god. That's 2x what we lost. I think, yeah. I think we should take at least 5 off to regain back that loss we took on there in Q. It was the same trade. On micro it hit TP, but on the other one I didn't have a TP level.
Gentlemen, I have returned.
Let's go, Walid. What's up, brother? Look at that pump. Look at that pump, bro. Double is in the chat. Stop loss in.
Oh, let's go. But you should be careful about that BPR.
Yeah, I know. That's why I took 5 off. I think I'm gonna take 1 more off.
Yeah, I wouldn't trust anything that's going on right now. Just give it a couple more minutes to simmer. It's still within that open range bullshit that happens at 9:30.
Yeah. I want that end dog. Without touching that end dog, I wouldn't dare to short.
I don't have the picks on me. There's like a few picks for right before him, so just.
Sorry.
Where's Chadley? Ping Chadley.
I think Chadley is asleep. we have been up till like 6 hours ago or 7 hours ago.
Yeah, I saw that. I woke up, went to my job, and I saw you guys in the stream. I was like, damn, these guys are dedicated.
Bro, it was a long run. So basically what happened, he lost his small account that he got all the payouts on.
Oh, no.
And he had his second account, and he just went on a heater and made like 2K on it.
Oh yeah, I saw the screenshot. Oh, look at that pump, bro. Hold on, sorry
Yeah.
to interrupt your voice, but god damn, guys. Whew.
I think if we hit your TP, leave the runners, bro.
Yeah,
Like on God.
but if it goes back down one more time, like I was in one mini, we came 1 tick away from Nwog. I was up 2600 and he came back down and stopped us out at stop loss.
Yeah, I saw that. I was in the meeting and I was laughing.
Hey, why are you laughing at me, bro? Oh. That's why.
Right, so basically there's too much alar going on that we can take, by the way.
Yeah. Like what?
Basically we've been trending down the whole day.
Yeah.
And we can at least expect that we will have a return to the 50% of the range.
Yeah.
So your GP should be around weekly open.
Yeah.
Which is close a
Yeah,
bit.
that's my final TP. Oh, I'll have one partially and one more at 354. But I'm just worried
you
about
can
this
also
trade.
look for Monday mid. That's also a good point to
Yeah.
take some TP.
Yeah, my TPs are 200 points. Like, I know there's much better TPs at the top, but 200 points is it's something I've never did before. Like, I would never go on a stream and target 200 points. All my streams are like 10 points. 10, 20 points.
No, you shouldn't look at it that way because the conditions of the markets are different each day. There's days where you're gonna get a base hit for 10 points and you're gonna thank God that you actually took it. And there are days where you're gonna go on a heater and catch like 50 to 150 or 200. Issue is that I hope your account allows the fact that you can do that. That's the only problem. So if you can find any account that doesn't have consistency, I would tell you to go for that. But if you have accounts that has consistency, well, good luck with that, because when you get your monster straight, then you will pay the price for getting that cheap account. I'm looking at you, Topstep.
Yeah. What do you think? I'm thinking of a partial here, bro. I don't know
Yeah,
how this is
yeah,
going.
yeah. I would take one just to secure $100 more, you know.
Yeah. I'll take it right at this mid of this week. It should at least come to it.
Yep. And then stop at break even. Take those two at the top and leave your runner.
Let's go hit. Okay.
W. Alright, change that to 3 and
Oh,
let
yeah,
it break.
but
Whatever happens. You already got your monies, you know.
Yeah. As soon as we enter, it was instant 500 bucks. It's like a positive spread, something you never see in your life. Like a rare event. It's like seeing a unicorn.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna put the limit order on here because if we don't hit it, then I'll probably forget that limit order. So I'll put it as we come closer to that level.
And also be careful around 10 because that's the start of the new 15-minute candle.
Yeah.
And what we usually do is we try to manipulate a bit before going straight to target. So
Yeah.
if you guys are already on this trade, I would advise to take partials, stops at breaks, make your days worth. Take whatever minimum amount that you need to take and leave the rest running. You know, type shit.
Type shit. Look at this, bro. We're about to make
All right.
100-point trade. Let's fucking go. Let's
All
go.
right.
Yeah, let's
All
go.
right.
Let's go. Come on, hit. Did it hit? It hit? Yes, let's go.
Not yet. Yes. All right. Change that. Guys, if you are in this trade, I would advise you to put your stops under the market open, the 8:30 open, just in case we come back. So there is no reason to come back to that
100%.
under the 8:30. But if we do, then know that, yeah, at least you got something out of it and you
Yeah.
didn't waste time
Yeah.
and burn your eyes looking at green and red candles.
Beautiful.
You know.
Beautiful. Guys, this trade, Walid, this trade is 124 points. And that's the exact same trade we took. What was just about entry. We took a trade here for also, again, same amount, 150 points. And now we're doing the same trade with 124 points.
Yeah, and this is what I was telling you guys. There is, like, he lost the first trade, which happens in trading, but the re-entry was good because there was momentum in the market.
Yeah.
We swept some liquidity, you know.
Yeah.
It's always good to enter after a sweep of liquidity because you can always see the immediate reaction whether or not you are going to pump or dump.
Yeah.
Um,
Also, it was the first
especially if the sweep candle closes above the sweep. That's also a good reaction.
Yeah. 120% agree with you. So we got a rejection block here, we got midpoint of this wick, we got that swing high, and we got NWOG. So hopefully they don't do their job and actually take us to RTP. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful, bro. That's just beautiful. We're at 500 right now with just 2 micros.
All right, let's try to take this high, which is the relative high from previous day open.
Where's midnight? There we go. We're up 600. Let's
There
go.
we go.
We should trail more, to be honest.
Oh.
with you.
Yeah, if you want, you can. But just know that around this point, when we will take that high, pullback is gonna be immediate because there is another high to the left of it.
Yeah. I want the NWOG. That's why I want to hold this a little bit lower. I'm not sure, bro. I think with 2 micros, if we do hit it, we'll end up with 250 point, 100 bucks. I don't know. Is it worth? Oh my god, we came again like 2 points this time.
Yeah, 2 points this time.
Guys, we normally enter here and get out here like for 10 points. Now we're just planning. Do we want 200 points or do we just want 150? You know, like it's yeah, it's getting that dump now. What if we keep it at break even? Like I don't know.
Yeah, you can. You already got your monies. You already got your day's worth. I'm just talking to the guys that needs their 200 or 150 or whatever the company asks for.
Yeah. No, we're way above that. We want like 1,000 plus in profit right now.
All right, then just break even and let it rip. You know, 2 micros. If it hits like 0, then whatever.
Yeah. 4K on this trade till here, and then long from here for that we took together in the chat. That was about I don't know. Wait, I need to check the market right now. Oh, look at. Oh my god. Nah, this is just playing right now, bro. Nah, this is just playing right now. I'm gonna drag it
Yeah,
back to
that's
break even.
why I said put it under the BPR, because if that happened,
If that
then
happens,
at
yeah.
least you got something.
Yeah, I agree, bro. I agree. We shouldn't have moved the thing, but I just want to see if it goes
It's
to
all
the
good.
analog. I don't know.
It's just one of those things where you would like to see your full TP get hit.
Yeah,
I know
I
the
never
feeling.
do that. That's the thing. Today's the first time I'm doing it, and it just came so good. Like 1 point here and 2.3 points here.
Also, we are overextended from the overnight markets. I'm talking like 300 points. So don't expect clean trading today.
Yeah.
Fact that we got 150 points right off rip, and you are already up 1,000. It's already good on its own, you know.
Yeah. I don't know. Shall I move it a little bit lower? I really want to.
Nah.
At least below the
It's
analog.
bad to let your green trades turn into red trades.
Yeah. Come on, dude. Like, why are you not taking the analog? Is it a signature that it's just so bearish, or like touch it and dump? I would full put that short, but like it's not.
Bro, you know Tory trades.
Yeah. Oh, I hate her.
It's because we expected the trend line.
I'm so glad you said that, bro. I thought you were gonna say something good about it, and I was like, nah, please.
Nah.
Oh no.
Yeah, guys, sorry, break even. I hope that you took the partials that we
Yeah.
asked
We
about earlier.
we took 8 partials. We left 2 runners. It's fine.
Let's go. So, is anyone up right now? Is there any good news on the trading chat?
They're awfully quiet.
Yeah. I know Kenneth is up a bit, so I'm glad for that.
Absolutely, mate.
W, mate.
If we close
crack?
again below this, we should go up here. But
You got 40, not bad.
got 40. Not bad, bro. Not bad. Considering we made like unrealized 2+K, not bad. This was a waste though. This is something you guys do have to live with. This is out of your control, right? Out of your control. It goes straight line twice next to your TP and it just fails. Honestly, the first time I expected like a failure because it does that a lot, that manipulation thing. Shall we enter again? 2 micros.
It's looking seek and destroy, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm gonna try 2 micros, Willied.
I don't know about that, Chief. Let me
Wait,
take a look at the weekly.
I've taken my money. I'm gonna run now. So have a good weekend, mate.
Yeah. Don't enjoy your 600.
Don't turn your green day into a red day, bro. Go ahead, have fun.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Take care, brother.
See ya. Bro, that weekly is ugly.
That's why I don't like checking the high time frames.
Yeah, we can take a long, but don't expect much out of it.
Yeah, I'm just in 2 micros.
Let me check the NQ contract. This is the weekly. Let me see if we have any good levels that we can take TP off. $259. Yeah, basically that's TGIF. It's the 259, if I'm not mistaken.
I'll stop attempting longs after 10:30. 10:34.
Yeah. Yeah, like I said, do you remember when I said the 15-minute candle? That's what killed your trade again. It's
Yeah.
to put that tail for that 15-minute candle. If you take a gander at it, you can click the 15 minutes. You will see that it put the tail for it and then just started pumping.
Oh.
That's what I meant, yeah.
Oh. 50 minute looks so fucking
Uh-oh.
bearish. It looks so fucking bearish. I don't want to pick that chart again. We got one last chance for this long, and that is two things: time and in a macro right now, time and midpoint of this wick. That's our last line of defense. If this midpoint gets closed, we're gonna go straight down to 041.
Mm.
I can't believe I've longed all day today. I didn't take a single shot, even though I can see the shots in my head, like an OT entry right here, touching the sweep and smacking it. That rejection block. See, what did I tell you guys? Remember I said we got rejection blocks and the midpoint of that wick. They hopefully they don't do their job, but apparently they did do their job. They did it so good as well. But like just wick that N walk and then dump. That's something I can't figure out. Why would they do that? Which makes me still think bullishly, like heavily bullish. All these are just like seek and destroy, like Walid said. I'm hungry.
Maybe order some food or make something.
I took the meat out. I'm just waiting for it to defrost.
W. I'm gonna eat couscous, bro. The good old couscous Friday in Morocco.
Oh, I love couscous, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
If you ever visit one on me.
Oh, bless, bro. Yeah, I mean, Moroccan couscous is the best. I think couscous is Moroccan.
Well, there is some debate that Algeria made it, but those guys
Oh.
try to take the credit for everything, so, you know.
Nah, bro. Couscous is 100% Moroccan.
I'll believe it. If you ever come, I'll with one on me in my house, and I'll ask my mom to make it. She makes a great couscous for her.
Bless, bro. Bless. Inshallah, one day.
Inshallah. Yeah, this is too high resistance for my taste.
Yeah, I think I might just get out. What do you think?
Yeah, just put your stop under that wick and wait for it. If you are already up, then what would like $80.320 do to you? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just a game of probability at this point.
Yeah. We lost our edge.
Edge, yeah. Fact that we didn't take that high and respected that rejection block just messes with whatever we're trying to do here.
Yeah.
So who's in the audience? Twin.
We got 6 people in here.
Human. Welcome, guys.
I basically push everybody to the main thing, speaker mode, so they can talk.
Oh yeah, these are the boys. I know all of them.
Yeah. If we go to the NWOG now, then we will easily hit
It's
our
gonna,
actual maximum target.
yeah, 354, right?
Yeah. I mean, the strategy printed twice. Almost zero loss, zero entry, zero
Alright. Let me
heat,
check something.
150
Let me
points.
keep something.
Exactly 150 points, bro. That's insane. I'm using this new strategy to help me hold trades longer, like way longer, like not just double what I normally target. I go for 10 points now, I'm going for 200. That's 20x.
Yeah, that's basically like a 2000%.
Yeah, yeah. Just if Mr. BPR will allow us to pass, all
Yeah.
will be good.
Would you like to know what's my average hold time for my trades?
What is that?
Because we were trading Asia, and I usually take like big swings.
Yeah.
It's around 15 minutes.
Oh man. I think my average is 39 seconds.
Yeah, and also the firm that I was trading with, Puckham, side note, they required to do like a 2-minute trade. So I think that also was a factor.
Oh damn.
But it's
That's too
good.
much.
It's good to hold trades, especially if you go on a higher time frame, like you trade the 15 and up. It's easier to hold trades that way because even your stop is more big compared to like scalping lower time frames like 1 minute to 3 minutes, you know.
Yeah. Facts.
But overall, it was fun trading with Chadley this couple of 4 weeks on Asia.
Yeah.
Just a blast.
I go to sleep, you guys are on. I wake up, you guys still are. Like, am I like in Inception or something?
Yeah, I didn't sleep till 7 a.m. today, so.
I woke up at 7.
Bro, I woke up at 11 and I was still decimated.
And yes, ladies and gents, we are pushing back up. So we maybe have 3 charts. That's 3 opportunities for a trade, and we took 1 opportunity here, 1 opportunity here, 1 opportunity here.
And also, if you are long, please take some partials.
So we're up 300.
And leave one runner.
Yeah. I'm trying to hold
I'm
because
talking.
yeah, I want to take that target with 1 micro, like just as a proof of concept. But
Proof of concept, yeah.
yeah, but you guys don't do what I'm doing. If you have 3 micros, leave 1 running to my target. But if you have 2 micros, get out. Not get out, like take a partial here. Otherwise, take a partial at
You're
that.
gonna get what he's getting, yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna get what I'm getting. Like this is $300 you didn't have earlier, you know.
Yeah. And as usual, don't turn your green trades into red trades.
Facts.
Always secure your profits.
Facts.
Nothing more I hate than seeing my trade in the green with a big number and then straight going down.
Yeah. Walid, can you see, is the N1 correct? Is the low of it 293?
Let me check for you, bro.
Yes, please.
So the NWalk on my end is, the low of it is 302.
302.
Yeah.
That's way above mine.
Yeah, but mine is weird.
No, if it's above,
Let
no
me
problem.
check.
I just need to know
Let me
if
check
it's below.
manually.
Yeah. We're up 350 bucks, guys. That's literally almost again. Oh, there we go. There we go. 100 points. Again with 2 mic.
That's, I think that's an event horizon, not even an NWalk.
Jeez. And Craig,
Yeah.
I think you got more than $40 on this trade now, bro. We're up 400 right now, bro. 100 points hit.
I hope I'll crack got something out of it.
Inshallah. 115 points, 120 points. Let's go.
Come on, TP
5
hit.
points left. 5 points left. We got 550 bucks. 500.
No, that's 14 points left.
No.
All right, 10.
Mine is at 24.94. The low.
Oh, $5.
There we go. Let's fucking go.
All right, crack. I think you're trolling, bro.
Yeah, let's fucking go.
W crack. Let's go. Oh, not the drug. It's the guy that is in the chat. His name is Crack. All right. If you are still in the trade, I would put your stop above the PPR like you did, and just leave it there.
Yeah, I'll even increase it higher. Like, this is pretty much as we want. From this point onwards, shorts will be way more like probable. So might as well.
Yeah.
Any retracement.
Yeah, we're also almost at weekly. No, at weekly open. Oh, we got weekly open. Okay.
Yeah, that.
So
that,
next target, guys, is 307, and after that it's 321.
307. I got 317 for CE.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I think you're talking about the CE of the NWOG, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Since we have different NWOGs, mine is 17. God damn.
You see, holding trades feel good, right?
It does, bro. I never did it in all like 6 years of my trading. I've never held a trade longer than that. You guys in my streams, like you guys see it in my streams all the time. I'm in and out, and I think people hate it. But now, thanks to this new indicator, bro, it's just.
And I think you've seen when I was trading with you guys, I always hold trades for like at least 5 to 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the power of partials, guys. It's always the partials. Whenever you get the chance to play with micros, it's better to go 10 micros than 1 mini. Because
Exactly.
1 mini you can get and 1 in and 1 out, but with 10 micros you can do like a partial at 20 points for something, and then continue from there, and that's the beauty of it.
100%, bro. Look at this. This is a real example of what you just said. I entered here, okay, and it went 1 point away but since I'm in 1 mini, I cannot close it. I have to hold to my TP, and I missed it. Oh
Yeah.
shit! It's pumping. It's pumping. Let's go.
That's the issue. That's what I don't like.
Yeah. So because of that, I was up 2600 in unrealized, and I went back to and stopped me out, which is painful. But with the micros, we took 8 off, and
Alright.
the 2 was break even. 150 points hit, guys.
And you are up above whatever your firm is requesting for today, and you are feeling better because you are already in the green and your stops is at break even. So chances of you blowing up that day goes back to 1%.
Yeah.
You know,
100%.
it's never zero, guys, because one tweet from Trump and one headline and it just boom, and your stop is not filled and you're in deep shit. Just keep that in the back of your mind.
Oh yeah, one tweet, but thank God it's. I don't think-
That happened to me, by the way. I was in a trade. Trump tweeted, market went 50 points to the north side. I was short. My stop didn't get filled. Blown account. Like on
So
God.
sorry. We will secure $200 on this trade. But yeah, I had a trade like that. I posted, I'm like, I'm going long, and as soon as I posted it, I had a big ass opposing candle. Trump said something.
And the issue with that is that when the market moves so fast, on the tape it doesn't register that point has been hit already, so your stop doesn't trigger. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I did that on my live AMP account, so it filled me in, thank God, for minus 500, but it went at least 3 times, 3x when my stop loss was, like, in the same second. AMP is very, very fast.
Alright.
Like, you can check the price here. It's
323. There we go.
yeah, we just Literally.
So now next target is Monday mid,
Monday mid.
which is 352.
352. My TP is 354.
Yeah.
Come on, can we get our target? Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god, did we hit it? Moving stop loss above the N-Wog, below the N-Wog. Guys, one more.
W.
10 points. 2 points. 1 point. 1 point. I'm sweating.
What did we hit? What did we hit?
What the target? Our indicator apply the target, and that's the target we want.
352.
354. 352. Wait. Oh, there we go. Let's fucking go, guys.
All right, W. All right. That's a great trade, bro. That's a feels good trade right there.
That feels really good, bro. Oh my god.
Guys, if you are up for today, I would suggest stopping here.
Oh, hell yeah.
Right now, the market is gonna have more chances, especially since we are going to push to previous week high probably, and we should be done. But if you are up on today, I would suggest stopping here, take a breather. We choose trading to get more social life and to get more out of life rather than sitting at the computer 24/7.
100%, bro. 100%.
But that was a quality re-entry, especially
good.
since we didn't close under the last line of defense. So
Yeah. Yeah. Almost same
and we were in the
entries.
macro.
Yeah, and that was the macro. Also,
Yeah.
look, by the time this candle closes, 1 minute later, right now it's 20 past. Once this candle closes, it will be 10:21, right? 10:21.
Yeah.
We expected, what did we say earlier? We said by 10:23, we expect the target or distribution to end, that it complete its time. So look, just
There
1
you
minute earlier, when this candle closed in 50 seconds, 2 minutes earlier than expected. But look at the time. This indicator is insane. I need to give you access so you can try it.
Yeah, it's the AMD indicator, right?
No, it's ours. We released it yesterday, but it's based on AMD, yeah. But very specific to sessions.
Yeah. W, bro. That's a good trade. So basically, how much was that? Like 150, 150-ish?
That was 209 points, bro.
Holy. So basically, 1 micron on that, guys, is $400. But since we don't enter with 5 micros, we usually tell you to do 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
You could have gotten easily like 600 on this trade with taking aggressive partial all the way down.
Exactly. 2 micros would have paid you 800, but of course you would have took a partial in between, so you would have made at least 600. Ah, it's so beautiful, bro.
Any questions, guys? Do you want to know something about this?
Yeah. Questions, guys. This is yes. Today we made 209. Yesterday we made how much? 200 points. The day before 150, and
Yeah.
the day before 135. We're gradually increasing our targets. It's insane. Those are trades we took on the stream, by the way.
Yeah, I watched the VOD.
Yeah. Hey, what up, brother?
Also, guys, don't forget that you can always watch the VOD. Keep that in mind.
The vault?
No, the VODs. Videos. VOD.
Ah, VODs. I was hearing buds. I was like, buds.
Yo,
Yo!
what's up, bro?
How you doing,
El
Cracky?
El Craco.
I'm doing good, bro. How y'all doing?
Good, bro.
I'm glad you got the 500. I was worried when you said 40. I was sweating.
Bro, I was worried when he said $5. Like, our pin is $500 and his pin is 5. I'm like, what? Hey, twin, how you doing, guys?
Like right now I'm doing like a 25K account, so I can't really just like oversize.
Oh, which firm though?
With Tradeify right now.
Oh, Tradeify is good. Yeah,
Yeah.
they pay really fast. Is it a select account?
A what?
Is it the select account? Which account type is that?
It's a growth one.
Oh,
It's
growth.
cheaper.
Okay. Yeah. But if you ever do more TradeFi, I would suggest the select accounts. Those are the
Select.
better value in my opinion. Yeah.
All right, let me see. Also, I wanted to know more about the indicator. Like, what is the target, the open, the sweep?
Go ahead, Luke. He's talking to you.
Can you say that again?
What was like the target? Like, why use the target, the minus target and the plus target?
Um, Basically, it's imagine this is London. Like this is a session low and this is a session high. If we sweep the lower one, then that plus sign means you're looking for longs. If we sweep the above one, then we go ahead and delete everything.
Yeah. Hey, Dave. Welcome aboard.
Hey guys, thank you.
Hey, Dave. So, basically, 8:30 opens. We go down. We sweep the sweep level. Now we're looking for longs. You wait for a charge. You take a charge trade, and you had a very nice 100-point trade on this charge candle. Very nice, 110 points. And then, but we have an ultimate target, right? Your target becomes this. This is our maximum target. And then we tempted it again here, but we had not enough partials. We took 10 micros, we took 8 partials, and finally it stopped us out at break even with the remaining 2 partials. But since it's still in play, we still have to distribute towards our target. I re-entered again with 2 micros, and finally we hit it for 200 points. So technically today we made 100 points. And how much on this trade? When did we enter? We entered here. That's the way that's entry. And we got out right at, when did we get out? Right here. So that was another 100 points. So 100 points, 100 points, 200 points, and 200 points. Now 400 points, just playing the same thing. But essentially, like I said, you sweep this level, and now you go towards the target. You sweep the high level, now you go for the lower target, right? But how do you place it? The first one that gets taken, that's what you play with, okay? So we first took the lower one. Now we're looking for up.
Yeah.
Of course, if you afterwards, just you can act it like as a sweep strategy. Once we took the long and then we swept the above one. Now you can be looking for shorts, okay? But don't expect it to go to the target, okay? It's like,
Yeah.
let me see if I can show you an example. It's like this, like London swept session low. Then we got the charge and we got a long, right? Even though we're bearish trend, we still took a long. But just because we got a charge does not mean we're gonna go and take Asia high, because it's a downtrend.
Okay.
But here we're still inside the session. So what I want you to do is whatever first gets swept, that's the long you take. You take the long here, you take a partial at the open, you take a partial at the sweep level, and you got the remaining to the target. After the target, you should not be continuing trading. And as you can see at exactly 10:23, once this candle closed 10:23, this is 20. It says 21 on the chart, but this is a 3-minute candle. This one opened, and it's 30 seconds left. So this was literally 2.5 minutes ago. That's exactly when we expect the distribution to end, right? So it's time-based and time and price-based. The price is here, and we're targeting that price. We expect it to touch this level by end its manipulation. So the sweep levels touch the sweep levels by the end of this window, and we expect the distribution to end by this window. Like, look at this, guys. This is the closest thing to Enigma. Look at it, like 10:23. We said it right here while we're here. We said by 10:23 we should complete that target, and exactly at 10:23. Like if I go to 1 minute, you'll see that 10:23 was the highest candle. Now we're starting the dump. That was the last candle. Isn't this is like magic? I cannot explain it.
Wow, that's crazy.
And it went straight to that level and dumped. There's nothing special here, bro. There's nothing special here. Maybe there's this high, but I mean, look how it's just touching the sweep levels. Look how it's touching these levels. This is nothing to do with the candles on the left. This is not based on candles. It's based on the IPTA algo's look back period. 24 is 60 days. We just put it on sessions, so 24 is 60 sessions.
Sheesh.
Yeah. Hey TK, what you doing, brother? Gonna go ahead and